Hey, Seattle Wolfpack. I wanted to take a few minutes to go through our offense. First thing to know is a little bit of nomenclature. When we arrive on the field, we have our lefties on the left, our righties on the right, L1, L2, L3, and we work in pairs. So L1 and L2 work together, L3 and R3 work together, and R1 and R2 work together. And we name each part of the field a different name. Zebra, Blue, and Denver. And for now, our pairs stay in their own little area. Okay? So the first thing we're going to call in this offense is Zebra. And we're going to show what it looks like from a pass down, pick down. So in a pass down, pick down, the ball starts with L1 and they pass down to L2. They go into the crease and set a pick for L2. At the same time, R1 and R2 mirror their position. So R2 is in the crease and R1 is up top. This one gets a little more complicated. At this point, L2 has the ball and L1 has set the pick. L2 comes off the pick, hopefully with their they're sticking their left hand. And here they have three options. They take a shot and go to goal. Two, they pass the ball to L1, who's rolling off the pick, and if that's the case, if L1 is open, they need to call the word slip. And at the same time, R2 needs to do a fade, or sometimes we call them floats. They need to float up to the top, and R1 needs to cut to the crease. Okay, so that is sort of the basic pass down, pick down, and the same works from the blue side, so on the right hand side. The same thing happens if we do a pass up pickup. So in this case, the ball starts with L2, and we also have a mirrored right side. We have L2 pass up to L1. L2 cuts to the crease and sets a pick. And here's the same thing. So L1 comes off the crease and goes to the goal. L2 peels off and slips to the goal. And on this side, R2 vacates the crease and R1 cuts to the crease. At Denver, i.e. behind at X, we just do a simple exchange and peek around the corners, looking for passes. Okay? And then finally, if we call Denver, we start in an open set, and the ball is with R3. And when we call Denver, it's actually slightly simpler. The first thing that needs to happen is R2 cuts the crease and floats up, and this creates a lot of space for R3 to take the ball to the crease. We have R1 float and fill from behind, and then we have a simple exchange. L2 floats up, and L1 cuts the crease, and L3 peeks around the corner. So that is Denver. Okay? Thanks.